one of the biggest of all philosophical questions, one so big that it's not really just a single question, but a whole family of interconnected questions is, what is this world we live in like? We need a sense of the world so that we know how to orientate ourselves towards the totality of existence. And we need our sense of the world to be true, not only towards this totality, but also to the details. But what methodology can put together a coherent, valid and useful way to see the big picture of what this world we live in is like? Well, science has given us a cloud of detail. It has given us insight into so many aspects of the world, both what is observed and the underlying dynamics behind the observations, that it is hard to get the whole into focus. So, the Integrated Insight Project came up with a methodology of unearthing an underlying simplicity. But this had to be more than just a simplification. What was unearthed had to do two things. It had to provide a framework for looking at reality's fundamentals, and it had to capture what is most significant about the way reality works. The structure that the Integrated Insight Project settled on has three main components, all of which support each other. The best way to look at the fundamentals of reality turned out to be to focus on the structures of possibility and seeing them in terms of space. This ends up giving us a profoundly different way of seeing reality. We go from seeing it as objects moving around in three-dimensional space to seeing the universe as a whole flowing through a multi-dimensional space of possibilities. The second major chunk of insight is a particular way of seeing intelligence. Philosophers used to look at intelligence as the kind of ability that the philosophers themselves demonstrated. It was to do with abstract thought and problem solving. This new view of intelligence, however, sees it as a fundamental part of how life works. And when we take our understanding of possibility space and of intelligence and apply them to the human condition, we realise that our lives are fundamentally game-like. We are players in everything we do, and life places us within a host of game structures which we navigate with varying degrees of success. So, that's the basic pattern. There are videos on each of these three areas posted on YouTube and available on the website. As always, comments and suggestions are very welcome. Thanks for watching. Bye now.